Hey guys, it's Brian from Micro Robotics. The Ascend has already been launched on Kickstarter. So far, we've got more than 2,000 backers. I would like to express my deep gratitude to our backers and thank you for supporting an innovative technology. We've been paying close attention to everyone's message and summarized some questions that everyone have concern about. For example, can the Ascender clean the carpet stairs? Can the Ascender actually go down the stairs? If the Ascender is going to be noisy when it's working? If the Ascenders can avoid cables and how effective it is in cleaning pet hair for pet-owning homes. My colleagues and I answer the question in the comment section. So today, we will showcase carpet cleaning, mop lifting, vacuum and self-cleaning noise, map construction, trace recording, stairs up and down continuously, pet hair treatment, etc. Now let's take a look at the mop lifting test. We have prepared 3 types of carpet. The first type is a 5mm carpet commonly used in office, which should be easy to clean. The second type is a 8mm living room carpet, and this thickness should not be a problem. The third type is a 12mm bedroom carpet, which is relatively thick, but Ascender can still handle it easily. 3 level of mop water output. Now let's take a look at the 3-level water output test, using a per mopping mode and start from the highest level. My colleague was having some fun, but Ascender's reaction was also very fast and dodged directly. Some people may ask, why didn't it start from the edge? Because Ascender's path planning is to clean the center area first and do the edge after. Now we switch the water consumption to the medium level. It doesn't look obvious with bare eyes, but you can see the watermarks disappear faster. Finally, switch to the lowest level, and the watermarks disappears much faster. Map construction and trace recording. Now, let's have a look at Ascender's map building and trace recording. It will first scan and build the map. Then clean the central area, and finally clean the edges. Of course, this is also where it requires more optimization before delivery. As you can see, the rendering of a map is currently not that mature, although it allows you to set up cleaning and no-go areas. The map's color scheme is still not that good looking. Next, we'll work with LiDAR solution provider to improve the map's appearance. In the future, we will also use OTA upgrades to create a 3D maps for the app. Now it's time for the vacuum noise display. Ascender has 3 levels of suction power. Let's listen to the first level first. The sound is relatively soft. Now switch to the second level. The sound is louder. Switch to the third level. Suction power fully on. And wow, it sounds really powerful. Hair and pet hair cleaning. Coming to the hair cleaning test. We place some cat hair on the ground and let's take a look. Oh, by the way, we offered both rubber brush and bristle brush for Ascender. Our team is currently working on a solution of dealing with tangled hair. The idea is to add a hidden blade to the roller brush to cut the hair, and we will use it as an upgrade kit for the Ascender in the future. Currently, for an environment with a lot of hair, rubber roller brush is recommended. Let me demonstrate with some hair. First, I'm gonna wrap some around it, and see, it's how easy it is. Carpet cleaning and carpet stairs climbing. Okay, now let's take a look at the actual demonstration in carpet environments. We're using a 12mm pile carpet and the stairs are overcovered with it. Let's see how the ascender performs. Start. In order to show you the whole process, we will not speed up here, so please watch it patiently. Well, a full demonstration is over, and the ascender can easily clean and go up and down the stairs with common carpet thicknesses. About the noise of base station self-cleaning and drying. Now let's listen to the sound of base station self-cleaning and drying. Since the drying time will take a while, we'll skip. Here we go. The drying process is finally done. It's completely dry. Alright, other than the stair climbing function, the ascender has all the necessary function for most premium robot vacuum on the market. We just batched all of it. So don't worry, this is the end of today's video. See you soon.